This is a Guyanese glass case. And once you see a Saturday afternoon in Guyana, the glass case is open. Now in this glass case, let me show you all the thing before me buy what me want buy. So up here you got egg ball. Me show them that egg ball. Behind the egg ball, got pint tart. And then over here, this is what the second thing I want. Pinwheel. And then at the bottom there is the one I like. That is white pudding. Oh, you're selling the white pudding? Okay. Give me $500. So you're gonna see how this girl go, oh gosh, she got China and all kind of thing. I come around this side, so yeah, I could get for see good when I in the gas. Get sorry, I could peep it and see what the girl got. Okay, so I buy in $500 white pudding. Now next to the white pudding, if you look over there, that one there we just call the one black pudding. Alright? So you're gonna see how I gonna be buying my white pudding. Yes. And the boy walking with the dog. Go off me, alright?
You know me?
Huh?
You know me, owner?
Me must know you use that Megan's. You used to buy milk from y'all, you forget?
Years ago.
Yes. Every morning we have to come early morning, but enough people used to come, you remember?
We got melody.
But it's true, we story sweet. You see that we story? We story is white pudding. We story is egg ball. We story is dal puri. We story is pinwheel. Yes, this is we story. So me one time you see how the girl cut the thing, man. Now make you roll away. Now make me thing roll away, girl. You try to see what you do. So that's $500. You not reach yet? Okay. Oh Lord. This girl a sell me tea, breakfast and dinner. Oh me mama. You can't tell me not reach yet, cause that no. Oh yeah, listen what happened. Now, if I want now, we just make the white pudding. Me go show you that one another day. This is a special Guyanese thing. And that's the specially Guyanese package of it. You see how the girl pack them up there? Me gotta get the girl money for pressure. Hey! Hey!
How is story on melody? Why?
What is not true, girl? We story and sweet. I want to pay with 1,000. Wait. Okay, let me see. So y'all see that already. Come, I gotta take all the money and pay.